All right, we're going to look at the 5 steps to write an equation given 2 points on a line. So it's being asked, write the equation of the line that goes through the points 430 and 535. And so my first step is just to write the general equation that I'm looking for. And in this case, I'm going to be looking for the y-intercept format. So it's y equals mx plus b. So that's step 1. Step 2 is we're going to find the slope. So remember, the slope is the change in y, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to go ahead and label this one as x1. This one is y1. This will be x2, and this will be y2. It doesn't really matter. Just as long as you make sure your pairs match up together. So y2 in my case is 35, and y1 is 30. x2 is 5, and x1 is 4. 35 minus 30 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So my slope is going to be 5. So my third step is to go ahead and substitute the slope and 1 point for the x and y values. So it doesn't really matter which one I pick. I'm just going to take this first one. I'm going to go y is 30. My slope is 5. I'm going to multiply that by x, which is 4. So I used this first set right here. And then I have plus b. And then my fourth step is going to go ahead and solve this for b. So 30 equals 5 times 4 is 20 plus b, and then I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. Golden rule, whatever I do to one side, do to the other. And I'm left with 10 equals b. And so my last step is to substitute the values of b and m, so the y-intercept and the slope, and to back into my formula y equals mx plus b. So my final answer for step 5 is y equals my m value of 5, x plus the b value, which is 10. And that has had the 5 steps to write an equation given 2 points, on a line.